Okay, so today I'm going to try on this wig in this package, and it's supposed to be a human hair pixie cut wig. We'll see. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Alina, otherwise known as Alina Roseanne. And today, before we get into today, make sure you're subscribed. You guys are watching, but you need to make sure you're subscribed, okay? You done with that? Okay, great. So what I have here is this human hair, it claims, pixie wig from Temu. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It feels like it's human hair, but we will see. So the color on this is 1B30, and this is listed as a 6-inch wig. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. The first thing here is we're going to see if this is really a human hair wig. But before we get into that, it looks like we have some standard ear tabs, standard cap. There are no combs at all, but there is adjustable straps in the back. So I'm going to try this on without using it, and then we'll use it. Okay, so did you see that middle part? Well, I don't know if it was really a part, but hey. But the good thing is this really does feel like human hair. Now we're going to see if this is human hair all the way or human hair blend or synthetic. Hopefully it's human hair because that's what I wanted. I wanted this color, and I wanted to be I wanted to be a pixie cut. Y'all, somebody explain this to me. Why do I have this flip action on the side? Now I don't have the picture that was shown in the advertisement for this wig, but I'm telling you the truth. It was listed as a pixie. The picture was a pixie, and it didn't have any flip action in it. So what I'm going to do is take out, let me go ahead and take out this wig brush. It still has some random synthetic hairs from the last wig I tried, which happened to be a pink wig, and that pink wig was on a live. That's a little bit ways back if you want to check that out after this video. But let me clear the air a little bit so I can breathe while I do this. And let's run this brush through this hair. Okay, so it's soft. The hair seems to be healthy. I don't know what's up with that side, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna figure out how to fix it. I'm gonna figure it out. Not sure how at this very moment. But anyway, this appears to be human hair, y'all. It really does, and I love the color on it. Is what I was going for, but guess what? Look at what I have here. I have this curling iron I have had underneath my desk for about a year and a half. It's a shame, huh? Yeah, I know. That tells you I don't use heat. But we're going to use heat today. This is going to be the test giver to see if this is really a human hair wig. We will see. This curling iron is going to tell us. Let's see. Okay. Nothing fried. Nothing melted. It appears to be human hair. I'm not leaving it in long, but it is curling like human hair would. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. As you can see, I've already done it here, and I'm going to curl this, get all that flip action out of the way, have this looking like a pixie again. Now what I do see here is I was hoping it would be a little bit more tapered in on the sides, and I could take the scissors to it, but today I'm not feeling scissor happy, so we're not going to take scissors to it this time. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl it and see what I can come up with, and then I'll be back.
Purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. 터져라 소리쳐. You know you feel so right. 이제부터가 시작이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up and enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm gonna run, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Na 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 I'm gonna run, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm gonna run, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Na 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 I'm gonna run, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon.
Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to. Know that I've been on you. Ooh, oh. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? Laid up, we paid up and faded on top of it. Ain't really used to this, I ain't ever has. From the bare minimum, we doing lavish. I was down bad, really acting like I had it. You seen right through it, knew I was catting up. Still let me hit it till you cashed out, it adding up. Lately, been adding up. What you want, I'm activated. Way you looking at me with the miles, hella captivated. Know you had you a long day, you agitated. I can get you off no medication, have you elevated. Can't fix the world, but I bet I fix that attitude. Mood on Big 10 when I fall through, it's all you. Slide through the town by the lake shore. Used to ride tank to the last drop in the Acura. Really, I was down bad, I was acting up. Somehow you still ain't had enough, yeah. Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. Wait a minute, I got you going. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to. Know that I've been on you. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? What we doing? I've been on you long time, I'm approved.
Okay, you know, it's coming together a little bit. I still think I need to take scissors to it, but I did what I could. I did make sure my hair is pretty flat underneath this wig, and I also adjusted the adjustable straps so this could fit a little bit closer to my head. You know, this will do. I still love the color. I love that it is human. It's exactly what I wanted as far as human hair and the color. Now, if I could just get everything else tapered, you know, I may do that in another video. I may not. Who knows? But, you know, tell me what you think. Would you wear this? Do you know someone who would wear this? Right now I'm looking like somebody's auntie, but guess what? I am somebody's auntie, so this is okay with me. So, you know, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Don't just watch and not subscribe. That's not helping my channel out. What helps is if you actually subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, you know, let them know you may want to see this in my face, and wow. Other than that, roses, I hope you appreciate me bringing another wig video. It's been a long time. I know. But other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.